Hi.
Ah.
Yes, the super easy style. Maybe one day I can do a short like you,
Yeah.
like your one, because I'm losing hair. Actually, yeah. One day I'll shave it all.
Oh, the great hair.
I wish my wife she's not gonna kick me out. You married?
Yeah.
That's a good news.
No, she don't mind.
Yeah, that's good news, man. Sounds good for me.
Still fresh like this.
Yes, fresh haircut.
Yeah, this is fresh.
Was a long time since last haircut?
What's that?
Was a long time since last haircut?
Yeah.
How long?
Probably, I think 1.5 months.
1.5 months? Yes, not that bad, yeah.
Yeah.
6 weeks?
Yeah.
Your hair growing fast.
Yeah.
You're lucky. You know that?
All right.
Yeah, once you start, to lose it, you will find, like the top, growing very slow actually.
So you have to go bold.
It's happened to me.
Yeah.
It's happened to me now, like because I have the gene,
Yeah.
like bald genetics.
Yeah. There you go.
Thing, anyway. Future, I'm gonna shape it all, don't worry.
Yeah.
The bag, I will do a taper for you.
Alright.
Yeah, stretch you more.
Alright.
Better than doing line, because when I do the just straight line,
Yeah.
after one day, grow back, like so you will need to tidy it up again. Yeah. It's just a basic taper anyway.
Yeah.
Awesome. Everything I said, say yes, yes, yes.
Yes.
Don't worry. But at the end of the haircut, you're gonna be the super handsome one.
All right.
Yes. Just say yes, yes, yes.
Yes, whatever you want to do. Yeah.
Yes.
You know better, yeah.
Don't worry. You're married already, so what's the haircut for?
What's that?
You're married already. What's the haircut for?
You want me to grow my hair till I got like nah. Nothing beats.
Awesome.
All right.
I told you at the beginning, there's nothing impossible. You like it?
Yep.
If you don't like it, I'll bring it back. It's alright. Abracadabra.
All right. Thank you, man.
No worries.